Good morning. Today is April 21st, and today we are looking at classifying triangles by angle measure, more about Lewis and Clark, working on that candy writing prompt again, and then your apple of the day is library. If you choose to do the paper options, that's what you'll be doing. Otherwise, you can read above to see what the digital options are. Okay, so here's what you're doing today. It's classifying triangles by angle measure only. Okay, so you're going to look and read the sentence. Okay, and then whatever the angles are is the name of your triangle. So like for example here, a triangle with 3 acute angles is called an acute triangle. That's all you're doing there. At the bottom, you're going to prove that you understood this by naming each of the triangles. And then down here, same thing. They give you your word bank. You'll fill it out. Okay. My screen froze. Sorry about that. Same thing here. Okay, when you get to this is what you're doing tomorrow. That's it for math today. So get past the math. Okay, and then you've got more about Lewis and Clark. So make sure you finish this today if you haven't. There's also this to read. Okay, and then if you didn't read this yesterday about the Hershey Kiss, you can be doing that. Okay, yesterday you should have written your introductory paragraph. Today you are writing your first paragraph about what the candy would be made of. Okay, so with that, they want you to do a fact, statistic, there we go, example or flashback to kind of talk about that. So like maybe if you wanted your candy to have pretzels in it, you could talk about the first time you had a chocolate covered pretzel and how delicious it was as an example, or a flashback depending on when it is. Okay, so make sure you're doing that today. Tomorrow you'll be talking about how it would be manufactured. Okay, writing paper is available if you need it. That's for next week. Don't worry about any of that. Right, stuff for next week as well. And you have library today. So Miss Wells would like you to either go online or do written work. If you choose to go online, you have STEM. You'll go to code.org/learn. Click on grades 2 through 5th. Choose an activity. Spend at least 15 minutes working on it, or if you choose to complete it, and then write our summary of what you did and or learned. If you choose the written option, you're going to write down the name and author of a book you believe your classmates would enjoy. Write a brief summary, no spoilers, and 3 reasons why you believe it's worth reading. Okay? And that is it for today. Let us know if you have any questions. Have a good one.